Hi dear students. Modulo 4th aerial photogrammetry and last session it is. One more concept is there, that is nothing but the equation, parallax equation for determining elevation and ground coordinates of a points. In these cases having a one derivation, so we have to solve this derivation in this session. Okay, by using of this diagram, I will explain it. What this diagram it is consist. Okay, see here, let A be the, see here, let A be the point whose ground coordinates and elevation to be found by a parallaxes. These are parallaxes. Okay, by using of these parallaxes we will find the ground coordinates points. Okay, let K be the, capital K be the, this K is the ground position of principal point of a K of the left photograph. This is first left photograph, right photograph. Okay, let capital X and Y be the ground coordinates of point A with respect to the ground coordinate axis. Okay, along this axis these points are having. Okay, next which are parallel to the, this X and Y are parallel to the this X, small x and this small y points. See here, and with the K as the origin, and M is an imaginary point which has got the same elevation as that of point A and which lies on the ground point capital X. Okay, axis. A and M are the, see here where it is, A and small m are the images of the this point and also this point. Okay, on the right photographs, and A dash and M dash, A dash and M dash are the corresponding images on the right photograph. Let X and Y are the, let X and Y are the coordinates of A on the left photograph, and X dash and Y dash are the coordinates of A dash point. It is in right on the photograph. From triangle, which triangle it is? From triangle, we will start derivation. Okay, let's start derivations. So from triangle OKM. So this triangle and this triangle. Okay, by using of this triangle we will apply the sine rule. Okay, so capital O and K is the F. So F and O capital K is the H minus H, that is this one, and we have to put OM divided by OM similarly, and small km. Okay, small k and m divided by capital K, capital M. So this is x and small x divided by capital X. Okay, this equation is one number. We have to name it one, equation 1. And also by using of triangle OAM and OAM, capital OAM. Okay, so by using of this triangle, again we have to apply sign rule, that is OM divided by OM equal to AM divided by AM. Okay, so OM by OM we have to put similar, and AM, see here AM, it is AM is AM equal to F. Okay, so AM is F, and see here OM by, so OM by OM, it is what it is, OM is F divided by this one is capital H minus of small h. Okay, then small am divided by capital AM. Small am is this one, that is small y, and capital AM is this, that is capital Y. Okay, so we got the answer. So see here, by using of this we will get this expression. Okay, after that again we have to take one more triangle, that is O dash K dash M and O dash K dash M. Okay, see here O dash, okay, then K dash and M. Okay, see which triangle it is, this triangle. Then again one more triangle is there, O dash K dash, okay, M, this triangle. Similarly what we took from this photograph, no, similarly we have to take same expression by using of right photograph, only directions changes. Okay, so by using of this formula we will get this expression. Okay, O dash K dash by O dash K dash, O dash M dash, same expression what above is having, no, same expression. And also only changes, that is F by H minus M, X dash, here it is X by X, here it is dash, same, it is also same, only changes in dashes. Okay, and we have to put expression from equation 2 and 4. Which one it is? From equation 2 and 4. Okay, we have to put same expression like this, and after that solving of this equation we will get this expression, that is nothing but this equation is nothing but the established that there is a no y parallax in stereoscopic pair of photographs. Okay, next in the left photograph it is, this one is, see, this one is left photograph and right photograph. Okay, in left photograph what is that? O dash M dash, M double dash. What is there? Left photograph. Draw O M double dash. See here, I will say draw O M double dash. Draw O M double dash. Okay. Parallel to O dash M dash. Parallel. This line is have to parallel to O dash M dash. Okay. And right photograph. Okay. In the triangles of by using of this drawing we have to create a triangles. We have to create triangles, that is O M double dash M. O M double dash M. Okay. Next is O M O dash. O M O dash. Okay. So see here, O dash is parallel to M double dash M. O dash is parallel to M double dash. So parallel to M double dash, and OM is coincide with which point? OM. Okay. Small m coincide with the capital OM, and OM double dash is parallel to O dash M dash. So these both are parallel, no? See here. Hence they are similar and corresponding altitude. Okay. Hence they are similar and corresponding altitude. By using of this drawing, we will get the, see here, F by H minus H equal to M double dash O dash. Okay. So see here, in these cases, M double dash. Okay, linear equations Km plus Km double dash equal to X minus X dash equal to small p. Okay, and O dash equal to B, isn't it? By using of this expression, we will get this expression. Okay. So after that we have to solve this equation. We will get this expression. Okay. By using of equation 1 and equation 2 we will solve these equations. Okay. So by using of solving 1 and 2, what we got? X value. Okay. So by solving 1 and 2, by putting this expression, we will get the X and Y value. Okay. So it is BF divided by P is value like this. After simplification, it comes like this. So what he mentioned, X equal to this expression. So H minus by H by F is nothing but the BP. Same here also. So X equal to capital B by P small p into X, and Y equal to capital B by small p into Y. Okay. These X and Y are the parallax equation for the coordinates of the points. This is only having a derivations. Okay, this is I will end this session and modulo 4th is completed, that is aerial photogrammetry. Thank you.